You were dealt 5 cards from a standard deck of 52 cards. What's the probability that you will get 3 kings and 2 jacks? It's a combination problem. Out of the 52 cards in the deck, you're choosing 5, so we have 52, choose 5. How many ways can you get 3 kings and 2 jacks? Out of the 4 kings in the deck, we're going to choose 3 of them. And out of the 4 jacks in the deck, we're going to choose 2. So our combination is 4 choose 3 times 4 choose 2. There are 44 remaining cards in the deck that we don't want any, which is the combination 44 choose 0. This is equal to 1 mathematically and is not necessary, but allows us to check our calculations. We know 4 choose 3 is the number of ways we can get 3 kings. 4 choose 2 is the number of ways we can get 2 jacks. And 44 choose 0 is the number of ways we can get 0 of the remaining cards in the deck. 52 choose 5 is the number of ways we can choose 5 cards from the deck of 52 cards. Checking to make sure that we've accounted for all the cards. 4 plus 4 plus 44 gives us our 52 cards in the deck. 3 plus 2 plus 0 gives us our 5 cards we're choosing from the deck. Plugging in our values into our combination formula. I'll give you a minute to check that you've plugged yours in correctly. Simplifying, 4 minus 3 gives us 1. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. 44 minus 0 gives 44. And 52 minus 5 gives 47. Expanding our factorials and simplifying, we have 4 times 3 factorial, which simplifies. 4 times 3 times 2 factorial, which will also simplify and expand out my 2 factorial to 2 times 1. 44 factorial will simplify with 44 factorial. Remember, 0 factorial is in fact 1. 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 factorial, which will simplify with the 47 factorial in the denominator, and expand out my 5 factorial to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Simplifying the remaining values, 2 divides 4 2 times, 2 divides 48 12 times, 5 divides 50 10 times, 4 times 3 is 12, which will simplify with the 12 here. Multiplying the numerator, we have 4 times 2 times 3 gives 24. 52 times 55 times 10 times 49 gives 2,598,960, which will simplify to 1 over 108,290. In your calculator, you will end up with a 9.234463,016 e to the negative 6. This is the calculator's way of showing you scientific notation. So you would move the decimal to the left 6 spots, or you would leave it as a simplified fraction. Let's solve this problem using the calculator. We'll start with the numerator. 4 choose 3, so we'll hit 4. Then math, arrow to probability, down to NCR, press enter, enter 3, times 4, then math, arrow to probability, then down to NCR, press enter, then 2, times 44, math, arrow to probability, then down to NCR, press enter, press 0. And we see our numerator is 24. For the denominator, we have 52, choose, so we're going to hit math, then probability, get our combination, arrow down, press enter, 52, choose 5, so we enter 5, and then enter again. And we get our 2,598,960. So our fraction is 24 over 2,598,960.